guys, greetings. No, do not want to start like that. Let us start again. I am your rich auntie. Okay, you can't tell me anything. What did you say? Say what? He like saw me what? Oh my gosh, I'm looking so good. My makeup, you can't tell me anything. What? Hello? Who are you? Who? I'm sorry. I don't talk to the common people, to the common folks. Greetings. I am Beauty ETC. I'm a makeup lover, I'm a makeup enthusiast, and I am also a makeup artist. I love all things beauty. Thank you for stopping by. What a privilege. In this video, I will be doing a simple gold eye look with the classic red. If you would like to see how I achieved this simple eye, face, lip, the whole thing, then stay tuned. All right. The headband, these are two top bands on my head. So I have a bright red one under, and I have a darker red one to go with my dress. Thank you for watching. Please do like, please comment, please subscribe. So guys, for this eye look, I'm going to be using these two palettes. These are the Warrior 2 by Juvia's and the Warrior by Juvia's. So I'm using the Warrior and the Warrior 2 by Juvia's. This is what they look like if you haven't already seen them. I'm going to be coming in here for some transition colors, perhaps, and also for other things on my face. And I will also be using this to create the gold, especially this color right here. This is my hair. It's getting done. If you have been watching me, you would know that I like to use the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, 16-hour Camo Concealer, the matte version for my eyes before I apply eyeshadow. It helps my eyeshadow to stay in. I'll be using these three brushes to create this eye look. So watch and learn. Let's see if I can actually talk while I'm doing makeup. I do not like to talk when I'm doing makeup, but so we're going to be going with this fluffy brush. We're going to be going into this color right here for a transition. Remember, this is a gold look.
How you guys doing? What's up? How are you all doing? Today I'm just creating a simple look to go with the red lip. Very classy, very grown woman, and all of that good stuff. My daughter, that's my first daughter, doing my hair. Yes, I learned how to do hair from my mom, and I've always done my daughter's hair. And I also decided to teach her how to do hair so that she can also do my hair. I mean, what's the point of always doing hair and then they can't do your own hair, you know? So I'm going into Moremi in the Warrior by Juvia's. That's what I'm putting. I think. I think that's what I'm putting down or not. No, I think I started with Kano. And now I'm going to use my fingers to go into Bakwa. Again, I'm still in the Warrior by Juvia's place.
Can you tell the difference between the two eyes? Because I tried to do like a cut crease in one eye, and I don't think it's making any difference.
You guys think about cut creases, because sometimes I'm just over it, you know, and then at other times I really want my eyeshadow to show, but man, the amount of work that goes into cut creases is so scary. But you know, I realized with this look, trying to do a cut crease on one eye and the other eye, it didn't really make much of a difference. I'm using those two colors to deepen my crease. Just
I don't want to take away from the gold on my eyes, so I did a very soft. I mixed these two colors together, these two right here. I'm a little bit under the weather, so please permit me to clean my nose. Y'all don't need to see that. Okay, and I don't pretty. Hey, yeah. Okay, so I just created a very soft transition with these two colors. Very light-handed on this dark color because it's very dark. Alright, and that is what we have. Now, with this kind of look, the finishing is going to be very, very important. Meaning we have to line those eyes as best as we can. And we have to tight line and do the lashes, which is what I'm about to do. Watch and see.
I'm telling you guys, if I was in Africa, I would have sent my daughter to like the salon to go learn how to do braids because she would be doing braids on my hair. I'm saving money. I think it makes sense. The child is useful to themselves, they're useful to their children, useful to the society at large. They can make money in college with these skills. You should teach your children skills. Always teach your children skills that they can use going forward in their lives when they grow older. They need these skills.
To appreciate my daughter's braiding skills. My prison braids be on another level. She's only 13, so please encourage her in the comments. Alright, for this next step, I'm going to be using, I was starting out with a black eyeliner to finish my eyes, but I changed my mind. So I'm going to be using this Sephora brown eye pencil to line under my eyes. And I'm also going to be using this NYX. We all know this NYX pencil. I hope it's focusing. I'm also going to be using this NYX, and I'm going to be using this mascara and then my lashes. Mascara, let's go.
Yes.
Can you say mascara? Tell me.
How do you say it then?
Mascara.
No, you need to.
I said mascara. Tell me, I said mascara. I said mascara.
Yes.
I said mascara.
My daughter making fun of me and how I pronounce something. Do your children do this to you? They correct me like they know, like they've been in the world before me. Child, I'm a whole generation old. And these children over here trying to correct me.
What do you think? So right now I'm going to be going into this color and this color for my blusher, and I'm also going to go back, and this is from this palette, by the way, and then I'm going to be going into I'm going to be using these two colors right here to highlight. I'm also going to be using my Fenty Beauty. This is cognac candy. Looks like so. Let's go. Red lipstick on planet Earth. Let's do this. And I do my lips like this so that I can get the line your lips first. Okay. And then once I've gotten the precise line, then I fill it in. Oh my lord, we rocked this lipstick. We rocked it. Who was the truth? Huh. To deepen that bronze situation, I'm going into the Warrior 2 by Juvia's, and I'm going to be using both of these, Yogurt and Kufu. You have the palette. A powder that I found on Amazon, I believe it's $10. And what does it remind you of, this powder brush? Did I say a powder? A powder brush that I found on Amazon. Going into my Sephora translucent powder, my fave, love it. And I'm going to go all over my face. Look. Okay now. Focus. Focus. I love this look. It's so simple, so classic. It's giving. It's giving. And I used an OG lipstick. Never fails. Never fails. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video. I wish you guys New Year. Hugs.